Wanted to give you guys an update on the press powder that I made. And I don't have on any press powder, guys. I just have on all of my foundations, concealers, and everything. I wanted to show you guys that you guys can really make your own press powder at home. So if you guys, like if the cocoa powder is too dark, guys, you can also use cinnamon. So I just wanted to show you guys that, yes, I'm using the press powder that I made. And it doesn't have like, I can definitely smell the cocoa powder. That's about it. But it's not an unpleasant smell. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys a follow-up because I made it, but I didn't have the opportunity to try it on for you guys. So yes, it's gonna set your makeup in there good. And so now the whole thing is blending. So I just wanted to follow up with you guys and show you guys that yes, you can make your own press powder at home. I know I made it, but it wasn't dry. So I didn't do the final follow up. But if you guys can see, it works. So if you guys want to try your own press powder, because if you go to MAC, these compacts is about $27. So yeah, and then if you get it shipped, so you guys can make your own press powder at home. So you'll do your concealer and foundation and everything, and this is just gonna press and set your makeup in there. And I am sitting under my ring light, guys, so you probably look a little brighter. So I just wanted to give you guys an update of what it looked like when you put it on. So I got to finish my makeup. I haven't did my eyes yet. So thank you guys so much. I just wanted to follow up and show you guys what the actual press powder looked like. And guys, I redid the edge control. I'll bring a video to you guys on that later. It's now, it took away the white flakiness. Remember, that was the concern that I had. So that is gone. So now just trying to see what the hole is. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. You guys have a great day. Guys, I wanted to tell you guys the benefits of using all these products is actually healthy for your skin. If you guys, the people that do follow my channel, you guys know that I put cinnamon in my face scrub, and as well as rice flour is a natural ingredients too that is healthy for the skin. The rice flour, and glycerin is an ingredient that's in cosmetics if you guys want to use that, optional. And then you guys know alcohol is, you know, a great product as well. So I just wanted to give you guys another, because some people probably be like, oh my God, you putting cinnamon or cocoa powder or flour or, you know, rice flour. Yes, all that stuff is not unhealthy for the face. It is actually natural, and it will not clog your pores. Cinnamon actually fights inflammation and everything, guys. So anything I tell you guys, if you guys don't believe it, look up the benefits of using cinnamon on your skin. Look up the benefits of using rice flour. Look up the benefits of using glycerin. Now, everybody don't put glycerin in theirs. I happen to have some, so I did it. So I just wanted to give you guys that final update. And I'm actually using my DIY setting spray, guys. So if you guys didn't catch that video, click on my videos and guys find the DIY setting spray. But this will save you guys some money. And a lot of times you go to the store, you buy your press powder, you get it home, you put it on, and it does not match your complexion, and you can't take it back, so you're stuck with it. So you guys can try this different recipes at home and find your shade and make your own press powder. And guys, if you're not able to find, if you guys don't have an empty container, guys, find these little containers out of the dollar store if you guys don't have an empty press powder container. So, alrighty, guys, just wanted to give you guys that final update, the benefits of using these products on your skin, and they're actually healthy for your skin, and less than people are allergic to cinnamon. So then try other natural remedies to make your own pressed powder at home. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.